Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Crazy About Colors. So in today's video we would be talking about a very affordable eyeshadow palette from the brand Swiss Beauty. I have actually already reviewed a few products from the brand, and if you are into makeup or you like doing makeup, then you must be already aware about the fact that this is a very affordable brand with a decently good quality. Whatever I have tried from the brand so far has amazing quality, and today I would be trying this particular eyeshadow palette. So now what is so special about this palette and why am I trying it? The best part about this palette is that it is very affordable. Like most of the products from Swiss Beauty are affordable, but this particular 9-pan palette retails for just a little bit over 200 rupees, and if you are lucky enough, then you can even grab it for 200 rupees or even less than that. I particularly paid 206 rupees for this palette, and let me show you how this palette looks like. So this is how the 9 colors in the palette looks like. All of the 9 shades are matte colors, and they have a wide variety of colors because of which you can actually create a tons of different looks from this particular palette. In today's video I would be creating the look that I'm wearing right now on my eyes. It would be like pink and purpley sort of a look with a little bit of green in it. So now before actually getting into the eye makeup look or the tutorial, I would like to talk a little bit about the packaging of this eyeshadow palette. So I've already shown you, like, this is how the packaging of the palette looks like. It is actually pretty sturdy as if you compare it with the price, and I'll just show you that it closes with a click. Just try and listen it. Can you see how strong the click of this particular eyeshadow palette is? So even the lid is very strong and very sturdy. This is a small compact eyeshadow palette. See, like, it is almost the size of my palm. It is very small, it is very sturdy, because of which it is actually really travel friendly. The only con I would say is the fact that it does not have a mirror in it, which is a good thing to have when you're traveling. But for a 200 rupees eyeshadow, I do not actually expect a lot from this. You can always carry a separate mirror. Okay, so the packaging of this palette is not just this. This particular palette actually comes with an outer packaging, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. So if you'll just turn the packaging, the list of ingredients and the other details about the product are mentioned in the packaging itself. So it is, yes, it has everything you can actually imagine in an eyeshadow palette. After using the colors, I can say that the colors are really easy to blend. They go really well with each other, and actually because it's an all matte eyeshadow, it can be used by anyone and everyone, but I would have preferred having at least one sparkly sort of a shades to a little bit of oomph factor in that bright eyeshadow look. But nevertheless, it is just 206 rupees, and it is certainly completely worth the price. Now without talking much, let's directly get into the tutorial. Now we are up close, and like always I have tied my hair at the back so that they do not interfere in my makeup process. I have already done my base makeup. I have applied my foundation and the blush and a little bit of highlighter that I wanted, and I have also primed my eyes with the same foundation that I had on my face. So now I would just straight jump into the eyeshadow process. Okay, also I am in a different setup, so I do not have my vanity mirror with me. So I would be using a mirror in one of my eyeshadow palettes for doing this makeup look. So without talking much, let's just start doing our makeup. So as I've already said, today I would be doing a yellow and a purpley sort of a makeup look. So for my crease color, I would just go into this particular eyeshadow and would start applying it in my crease, taking a little bit on my brush. See, it is pretty pigmented, and it has almost no fallout. So I would just take a little bit of this on my brush and would start applying it on my crease. It is way more pigmented than I expected it to be. Taking a little bit more and applying on the other eye. Okay, so now I'm already done with my first color, and this is how the color looks like. It is way more easier than I expected it to be. It blends beautifully and it hardly takes any time to look even. So now on to my second color. I would just go ahead and dip my brush in this particular color, and I'm using the same brush. I usually use the same brush. I'm using the same brush and dipping it in purple, and then applying the color on the outer half of my lid. Okay, so this particular color is not as pigmented as the first one, but it does look beautiful. A very light hand is actually required to blend the colors. After blending, actually both the colors are looking pretty much the same. This is how both the colors look like together. Now I would just go ahead and use the opposite side of the brush and dip it in this beautiful looking pink. This one does seem to have a little bit fallout. Yes, this color does have a fallout, which is a bit more than the other colors I have shown so far in the palette, and just applying it all over my lid. This is a very bright color. Taking a little bit more for my other eye and just applying it in dapping motion. I actually should have used a different brush for my all over lid color, but as I said, I usually use one brush because I'm usually in a hurry, and that is the reason I'm just using this brush and applying this pink color. Can you see how vibrant these eyeshadows are looking? I am already obsessed about this look. The pink looks beautiful and it is way more pigmented than I expected it to be. Okay, now I actually initially planned just to apply these three colors, but I'm not actually satisfied with the way my outer V is looking. So I would just quickly grab another brush and would dip it in this brown color from the palette and would apply a little bit of brown on my outer corner. Okay, now this is a little better. Now because I already like how the brown is looking, I would just take a little bit more and would extend it around my lashes to make it look like an eyeliner. I'm not sure whether it will look good or not, but I would love to try it. Oh yes, it's looking good actually. So this is how the eyeliner part of this brown looks like, and let me do the same on the other eye as well. Okay, so now I have applied around 4 colors from the palette, and this is how my eyeshadow looks like. I won't do much in this eyeshadow look now. I would just take a blending brush and would blend everything together. Okay, so this is how my eyes look so far. I would just grab a little pencil brush and would dip my brush in this bright pink again and would apply the same color on my lower lash line. Okay, so far I am actually satisfied with the way my eyes look, but because I want to try the maximum amount of colors I can from the palette, I would just take the same brush and would dip it in this green color and would just apply this green around my tear duct. Okay, so now this is not something that I was expecting my eyeshadow to look like, but I'm actually impressed with the quality of these colors. Like, these are really easy to blend and they all look so pretty together. So okay, so after applying the green, this is how my eyes look like. I would have loved to have a sparkly color in this palette, but because this is an all matte palette, there is no sparkle or like a bright foil type of a shade in this. I would have loved to apply a foil or a bright sparkly shade on the center of my lid, but because we are just reviewing this particular palette, I would not go into some other palette and do my eyes. I am going to just settle for the way my eyes look right now. For my brow bone highlighter, again there is nothing that I would personally prefer, but because I'm just using this palette, I would just take this color and use this as my brow bone highlighter. This color seems to be a bit chalky, but okay. This is the only one that I have in this palette, so I would have to work with this. Taking it and applying it as my brow bone highlighter. So this is how the final eyes look like just with this eyeshadow palette. Welcome back. So this is how my eyes finally looks like. Now coming on to my final thoughts about the product. I am actually pretty surprised and I would say impressed too, because this particular palette retails for just over 200 bucks, and for this price getting 9 colors with such a good quality is a very rare thing. I am beyond impressed with this palette. I think I would say I am a little actually biased about this brand now, because whatever I use from this brand I always tend to love, and this particular palette is no different. I've actually also reviewed another palette from Swiss Beauty, which I would be linking in the description box and even on the I button somewhere on the screen. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you should actually watch that video, because even in that video I have shared a palette from Swiss Beauty and of course created a look using that palette, and even that particular palette turned out to be amazing. So I can actually say that this particular brand, Swiss Beauty, is one of the best drugstore brand that is available in India. If you have tried something from the brand Swiss Beauty, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to try more from this brand. The brand has so many different options in products that I sometimes get actually overwhelmed and I am not sure about which one to try. Also, they have some amazing collection of lip glosses, lipsticks and other eyeshadows and whatnot. So if there is something you would want me to try, or maybe give swatches of the full collection, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would actually love to do it for you guys. So that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs in and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.